Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sweeney Hire, and today we're just going to film a quick clip showcasing our QR codes, which we have updated from the original idea, and there's an old YouTube video for that, but we've gone bigger and better since. So we'll just give you a quick run through. There's two QR codes that we tend to have. One is on the back of our machines on the trailers, and of course that would be a key that doesn't have a thing because we need to order more key rings. This one is our follow us QR code. Okay, so we're just going to start. We'll show you the follow us one and what kind of stuff you can find there. So that one will bring you to a page if the internet wants to work today. So this one is just like you can visit us online and book a piece of equipment. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. And then we will go over here to the machine. Now the machine ones are a little bit different. The machine ones are machine specific, so as you can see here, mini excavator tips and tricks. And anytime we upload a new video to YouTube, we add them into that playlist. So even today, fingers crossed, because I uploaded a video an hour ago, there should be how to do the track. So we've got unload the mini excavator, pre-start, changing the buckets, extend the tracks. There's a bit of a vlog there. There's a grease gun hack, and then replacing the track on a mini excavator on site. So that one was highly requested. We finally got to film that one last week. So that's just a quick run through on this feature that you may not know about, that we offer as a service, just to make sure you guys can stay on track if you can't get through to us for whatever reason. And we are going to keep adding to this library of videos, so if there's anything that you guys want to see, please let us know in the comments below so we can prioritize filming that footage for you guys. So thanks for watching everybody. Make sure you smash that subscribe button to keep up to date with more tips and tricks from us. And we'll see you next Tuesday. Cheers.